Hello and welcome to this explainer. Okay, if you're over 50 and considering a move to Vietnam, we absolutely need to talk about a crucial piece of your long-term planning, and that is the healthcare landscape. Whether you're dreaming about the vibrant culture or literally just the incredible food, your health has got to come first.
Now, you might have looked at the cost of living index and seen the massive appeal of cities like Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, or Da Nang. It looks great on paper. But are you truly ready for the big move? Because while the adventure of relocating is undeniably exciting, practical healthcare planning is absolutely essential. The system over there has a ton to offer, but it definitely works a bit differently than what you might be used to back home.
So our goal today is super straightforward. Taking the time to really understand your options before you actually need them, that is what gives you total peace of mind. Knowing how the system works, exactly where to go, and what documents you need, that's your ticket to a completely stress-free transition.
Section 1. Securing your residency status.
Okay, let's dive right into how Vietnam categorizes its long-term visas and temporary residence cards. We'll just call them TRCs. It's all based on your specific situation. For instance, the TT categories, those are for family members of citizens or eligible foreigners, and they're valid for 3 to 5 years. If you're working, you'll look at the LD categories, which are good for 2 years. And for investors, the DT categories can actually grant a stay anywhere from 1 up to 10 years. Knowing your specific category is basically the foundation of your legal stay. Let's break down exactly what you need to snag that temporary residence card. Because, and this is key, this is the exact ID that international hospitals are going to require upfront before they provide long-term care. So, you need a passport with at least 13 months of validity, plus proof of legal entry into Vietnam. You'll also need to fill out some specific application forms, NA6 or NA7 and NA8, along with 2 3x4 centimeter photos. Crucially, you've got to provide proof of your eligibility. That could be a work permit, an investment certificate, maybe your marriage certificate, and in some cases a health check and criminal record. Getting this paperwork sorted out is your golden ticket.
Moving on to Section 2, Public versus International Hospitals.
So, when you're choosing where to go, it really comes down to your preferred language and your personal circumstances. Public hospitals are widely used by locals, and they provide really comprehensive services nationwide. But the administrative procedures and waiting times, those can vary wildly depending on the facility. International hospitals, on the other hand, are definitely the preferred route for most foreign residents. They offer multilingual support, globally oriented service, and honestly, incredibly convenient appointment systems designed around direct billing.
Section 3. Top-tier international providers.
Let's look at some specifics. First up is FV Hospital. These guys hold the Joint Commission International, or JCI, Gold Seal of Approval. Now, that is a massive indicator of patient safety and quality. And it gets better. They've actually brought the world's most advanced robotic surgical system, the Da Vinci Xi, closer to Vietnamese patients. Add to that their specialized Hai Vong Cancer Center, a dedicated bone and joint center, and a comprehensive cardiology department, and you've got absolute reassurance about the quality of care waiting for you.
Next, we have the Vinmec healthcare system. What really stands out here is that Vinmec operates as a non-profit private healthcare system. They currently have 2 hospitals boasting that stringent JCI accreditation. But beyond safety, it's about sheer convenience. They offer the My Vinmec app, meaning you can proactively schedule your appointments right from your couch. Their entire care model is heavily driven by talent, ethics, and empathy, all backed up by global partnerships that bring in some seriously advanced clinical technology.
Section 4. Navigating your health insurance.
Okay, let's talk about how to build your financial safety net. Providers like Pacific Cross Vietnam offer several different tiers of insurance based entirely on your regional needs and your budget. For example, their Master Series, that gives you access to global medical care with coverage ranging from $250,000 up to a cool $1 million. If you only need coverage in Southeast Asia, the Foundation Series covers you between $25,000 and $100,000. And for those trying to balance budget and benefits, there's CareCross, or the Care First program, which offers really practical, essential health protection as a solid starting point.
Now, here's where the international hospital and the international insurance come together seamlessly. Many of these hospitals work directly with insurance providers like Pacific Cross through direct billing programs. It's so easy. Step 1, you just present your ID or that TRC we talked about earlier. Step 2, the hospital contacts your provider. Step 3, the billing clears without you ever having to navigate complex international medical payments out of your own pocket. It literally takes all the anxiety out of the process.
And it truly does work. Listen to this powerful testimonial from John Goodyear, a client who has been with his provider for years. He notes that even as his age and ailments increased, he was able to just sit down, discuss options, and adjust his coverage.
As he says, being over 70 and needing reliable coverage, he now feels he has a policy for life. I think this human element just proves that the system works so smoothly for retirees who take the time to set it up right from the get-go.
Section 5. Your health, your future. Healthcare services are continually developing across Vietnam, with hospitals regularly introducing some amazing new technologies. But because procedures and partnerships can and do vary, always remember to verify current information directly with your chosen provider. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on. Have you chosen the healthcare safety net for your Vietnam adventure? Get your paperwork in order, research your hospitals, secure that insurance, and get ready to enjoy absolutely everything Vietnam has to offer with total peace of mind.